mga bebe ko, it's January 9 and ano na mag-aalas 11 na. Katapos ko lang mag-breakfast. And naglilinis kami, mga bebe ko, sobrang busy. And mamaya, susunduin namin yung aking stepdaughter na si Hannah sa airport. So excited to see her. And it's gonna be really busy today kasi linis day. Ngayong all morning, naglilinis na yung asawa ko, grabe. Pero tumulong naman ako, guys. Naglinis ako sa kitchen. Malinis na yung kitchen natin. Tingnan natin. Malinis na siya. O, diba? Malinis na. Ito nga pala, guys. Hi, Dad. Ito nga pala guys, regalo sa akin ni Mommy nung Christmas. Hindi ko siya na-include sa aking haul. Yes, Dad, hindi ko na-include sa haul. Kenwood, it's a can opener. Kasi napanood nila yung vlog ko. Nag-alala sila. Nagbukas ako ng can, gamit ko yung kutsilyo. Kaloka. And I'm having my milk for baby. Okay, alis kami dito mamaya guys, mga 2:30 siguro or 2:15 kasi 2:40 yung landed ni Hannah, so it's gonna be a lot of time.
I'll get you with the vacuum and through these floors.
Yeah, no.
All right.
Hold on. Okay guys, pahinga lang muna ako. Dami kong ginawa. Tapos nag-edit. Hi Dad! Bye Dad!
I'll bring it up now.
Nakapag-edit din ako ng 1 vlog, which is good. So may 2 vlog tayo. And of course, it's up na yan it's already been up na yan pag mapanood nyo to. And ano pa ba? Pahinga muna tayo guys. Ang dami namin ginawa. Nagsampay ako. Nagwashing yung asawa ko. Maglilinis siya ng toilet. Ako naman ang taga-sampay sa nilabahan. Kumain ako ng pinakbet kanina kasi kagabi lasagna lang kinain namin ni Niskat kila ma'am. Hindi ako guys satisfied sa lasagna. Kasi parang merienda lang sa atin yun, 'di ba? So yan guys, yung mga yan regalo namin kay Hannah. Tapos nagbigay rin ako ng regalo para sa kanyang 2 best friend na si Nicole at saka Imogen. So Hannah for her boyfriend Jeremy. So we're gonna do a little opening gift mamaya para sa kanya. And grabe ang saya ko guys kasi kagabi, alam nyo ba, nanood ako ng Bird Box. Bird Box ba? Bird Box. Never Look, Never Talk. Nakakaloka no, ang ganda naman, kaya lang na-confuse ako kasi pabalik-balik siya sa river. And then balik na naman siya sa 4 years earlier ba yun? And then balik na naman siya sa river. Oh. Pero I followed naman. Parang nabitin ako sa sa kwento. Ready na yung single bed guys para sa best friend ni Hannah. Tapos si Hannah doon sa kwarto. Tapos ang best friend niya dito kasi it turned into a single bed yan eh. Guys, ready na kami ni Scott. Punta na kami ng airport. Magbibihis na lang pala siya kasi kakatoothbrush niya. Ay, may music! Okay, guys, punta na kami ng airport. Grabe yung init. I think it's 40 today or 38. And then, mamayang gabi, arrival nung friend, yung best friend niya na dalawa. 9:40 daw. Ayun din ako sasama sa airport, guys. Ito na si Hannah, my beautiful stepdaughter! You're so pretty! You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Oh, here's Dad.
Oh, God, you really made the tree.
Ganda ng makeup niya. Magkamukha talaga sila, guys. So pretty. You can be a model, you know? Look.
It's cool, but it's like a growth on the face, and it's like red, and it's like half his face is red, right? And he had a horse in, and they
Hi. Hello everybody. Hello Philippines, darling. Hello Philippines. So, ang ganda. Okay guys, magkaano na kami. Magbubukas na kami ng Christmas para kay Hannah. Ayun guys, nakabalot na rin na. Tinulungan ko siya balot ng mga Regalo niya sa amin. Okay, oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted with that.
Here's a what?
What do you want to do first?
Thank you.
Dad, what, Hannah?
That's you.
That's you.
Thank you.
That was her. She did that.
I wrapped that one for her.
I did the other two terrible ones.
Yes.
Well, it's their wrap. At least there's an epic.
terrible.
At least there's, you can open it.
No.
What?
Yes, open it.
Can you give Dad hers? The bullet's safe.
Hi, Dad.
That's nice.
It's nice. This one. Oh, we got no one.
I got that. Yeah, I got one.
Well, you got
Thank you, darling. I love it. Thank you, Hannah. So
That's
impressed. Wow, I'm so impressed, Mom.
What's this card?
the one from Juliet.
Yeah.
But I couldn't figure out what it was.
It was sent back to us.
I
Yeah,
showed mine.
that was
I
it.
showed mine. Yeah. There you are.
And I got theirs as well.
Oh, this is lovely, darling.
Thank you, Walt. It's Charles here.
Love it.
Alright, so Hannah, this is from Dad and Juliet. And baby.
Hannah, did
Yeah.
you get our Christmas card?
Yeah, I did.
You finally got it.
Yeah, it was after a while.
Yes,
Hey.
passport. I
That's
love
great.
the color.
Is it? I didn't know that.
I love it. Yeah. Ew.
Put the papers in though, I'll throw them over to you. You can just put the papers in that bag and they're all together.
I'm very impressed. I love it.
That's great. Very thoughtful.
Yeah.
Really nice use.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you haven't got one, have you?
No, not
A H? Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Not a H.
What
Oh,
is
it's on camera.
Show us.
You better edit that out.
What?
I was scratching my nose.
Oh, did you? Yeah, no, don't worry. I close it down.
Hannah, what is it?
It's a bead for my bracelet.
Oh, right.
Oh, right.
Hannah, this is a little Christmas present from Poppy. I'm saving for you. Ready? And hands. And there's
Oh, so cute.
You ain't looking forward to that.
I was so looking forward to it. Magluto ako ng pagkain ng aking anak. Ng aking stepdaughter, guys. Papakulo ko muna yung breast chicken. Tapos ipa-fry ko siya with this. Ay, kasi gutom daw siya. Ayan. Pakainin natin siya ng Filipino food. Kasi love na love niya ang Filipino food, mga bebe ko. Ayan, guys, nagustuhan ni Hannah. Yeah, the flavor I've got is a bit spicy. Hannah, tell them, do you like Filipino food?
Yeah, I like Philippines.
Chicken Joy. Take away yung asawa ko ng pizza, mga bebe ko. Yan ang dinner namin. Yan yung pa-dinner namin. This looks so good. This is what we're having. Just use our finger bag. Yeah. bebe ko, nagde-decoration si Scott para sa gender reveal for my stepdaughter, Hannah. Guys, wala kaming ano, di ba last time parang may nagsabi epic fail. Pero wala kasi kami mahanap na black na balloons. Tapos may color sa loob na blue or pink. Wala mga bebe ko, wala kami mahanap na black na balloons. So ngayon, gagawin namin yung plain na balloons dito. Yan, plain. Lalagyan namin siya ng color nito, blue or pink. So, yeah, yun lang talaga guys. Wala na eh. Wala nang ibang paraan. But that's okay. It's still gonna be exciting. Excited! Grabe oh, tsura ko. Kain kami ng nectarine ni Hannah. Hi darling! Nectarine! Let's eat! So, ready na yung decoration natin guys for the gender reveal. Just a quick like that. Just a small thing.
My knees look terrible.
Wait. In the Philippines, you are a Hollywood actress.
What do you mean?
You're beautiful. Everyone loves you. Hi guys! Ayan na si Hannah. It's very sweet, isn't it? I gotta say, kumusta kayo? Yung Tagalog.
I don't know the second one.
Kumusta?
I know Kalistica, but I don't know.
Kayo, it's all of you. Guys, watch out. Hannah will going to cook Filipino food for us. So it's gonna be exciting. Look at, see, so pretty, darling. Gosh, so pretty. Mga bebe, ko-close ko na yung vlog and thank you so much for watching. Abangan yung next vlog mga bebe ko kasi gagawin namin yung gender reveal for my stepdaughter Hannah. So excited. Gusto ko siyang i-separate mga bebe ko. So nandun sila sa airport, sinundo yung dalawang best friend niya. Na dito rin mag-i-stay until Monday. Kasi Tuesday yung balik nila sa Adelaide. So thank you mga bebe ko for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!